What's up, guys? Welcome back to Amazing RC. Well, I actually already shot a video, an opener for this video in the pouring rain. It was really cool, but because of said pouring rain, the audio was absolutely terrible. But we're going to shoot this little opener here real quick and get you guys right into the video. So, this is the return of the X-MAXX. I did a little bit of work to it. We got it out, and we're testing its waterproof capabilities, basically. We got to an abandoned golf course. I was actually taking it out there to run on a golf course, but it was so overgrown, I got trapped in about 9 feet of dense, thick death and carnage, so we never got out to the fairway. But the parking lot and the adjacent little strip to the apartment complex was really cool. It was super flooded. It was really raining wicked hard. We actually got not one, but a double blowout in the back. It was really cool. I got some slow-mo footage of that. I think I actually opened a video with that. So, let's get you guys into the video. It's Brian, Amazing RC. This is the X-MAXX chasing around in the rain. It was a lot of fun. It was super warm out and super wet. Have a good time, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you guys here real soon with another video.
Alright, we're done. We're going to break it. Come on.